Hey there, thanks for joining me again. Today I'll walk you through how I painted this girl in profile using blue as the base color. From the first sketch to the finishing touches, let's get started. I begin with a base layer and sketch the profile using similar tones. The outlines are soft and delicate. Her gaze is gently lifted, giving her calm, thoughtful expression. Instead of using only warm tones for the skin, I mix in cool blues and soft grays. This subtle contrast adds depth while staying true to the overall blue mood. This stage is slow and careful. I build her features gradually, focusing on the curve of her nose, the softness of her lips, and how the light touches her cheek. I painted her hair to blend softly into the background, while imagining brown as her base color. I layered in deep blue and violets to give it an airy, dreamlike feel. The background is built up with layers of blue, cool, quiet, and still. Blue doesn't just define space here, it sets the emotional atmosphere of the entire painting. Her clothes are painted simply, in tones close to the background. I focus on the lines of her shoulder and neck to bring attention back to her presence. In the final step, I gently add highlights to her eyes, lips, and hair. Just a touch of brightness brings the whole painting to life. And it's done. A gentle, graceful girl looking up quietly with tender eyes. What colors would you have used? By the way, my latest artworks are now up on Patreon. Feel free to check them out from the link in the video description, just if you're interested. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching till the end. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.